Have you ever worked with a business that had literally no traffic, no online presence, no leads, and somehow within a few months it started ranking on Google and actually generating real revenue? Because that's exactly what happened with this client, and I want to walk you through the exact strategy I used as their SEO manager. So this isn't one of those made up tutorials where people just say like just do SEO and magic happens. This is real business with real problems and real growth. So if you're someone who's been struggling with getting visibility or feels like your content just doesn't convert, you're going to get a lot out of this. So I was leading the SEO for Techtrix System, and I had a team under me, two content writers, two developers, and one social media manager. And when this project came to us, it was honestly in bad shape. The traffic was zero. They were working in the ID space, but the only sales they were getting were through word of mouth or recommendations from someone inside a PR circle. There was no brand visibility, no search traffic, no inbound leads, nothing. Just a website sitting there with broken functionality, duplicate content, bad UX, and no keyword rankings other than their brand name. The first thing I did was run a full audit, like really dig deep into what was broken, and it was a lot. Technical issues, duplicate metadata, unoptimized product descriptions, broken links. We created a full bug report, got it all fixed, and then the real strategy began. I didn't just start throwing keywords around. I went into user behavior. I started asking if I'm buying a product like a mouse, a router, or a laptop, what would I expect to see on the page? What would I search on Google if I'm ready to buy? What kind of images should make me click? How much information is enough? And then I look at how Amazon structures its product listings. Then I studied user flow on popular stores, and then I built a framework for how our product descriptions should feel. And that is informative, visual, structured, and persuasive. Then I trained the content team. We had over 2,000 products, and I made sure every one of them was written with purpose. This wasn't a copy paste job. Each product had clear specs, use case based benefits, and search friendly descriptions. After we went live with new content, I kept tracking the performance, and within 3 months, we started seeing actual movement. The traffic went from zero to over 1,000 visits, sales queries increased by almost 80%, and actual conversions, real purchases, jumped by 50%. Other than the product side, we also optimize all their categories. So not just individual listings, but the networking, category, computing, and accessories. We made sure every category page was optimized properly and included blog links that kept the user flowing deeper into the site. The internal linking structure is so underrated, but it played a massive role in pushing us to top positions. Today, if you Google best Wi-Fi router in Pakistan, we are ranking on sub one still, and we have got several other keywords where we are dominating. And that was just the store. We also started working on their B2B website, the service side. I knew we needed to show up for local IT related keywords, so I optimized all their services for Pakistan, where their target audience of real businesses actually search for IT support. We structured the site properly, cleaned up the code, added local schema markup, and pushed localized content to support every service page. And within a few months, again, we saw another spike. They started ranking locally for service queries. Then we shifted to Techtrix KSA, which is their Saudi domain. We did the same play there, localized the content in a way that matched the intent of Saudi buyers and businesses. We published supporting blog content for each service, the type of content that actually answered real queries people were Googling. And it worked for us. Ranking went up, traffic increased, and the credibility of the brand in that region completely changed. So guys, if you're running a store or a service-based business or even an agency trying to help clients rank, you don't need shortcuts. You need a human-first strategy. Because SEO is about truly understanding what your users want and then building a system that delivers that. So that's what we did, and the results are in front of you. So this is what I will keep sharing on this channel, actual case studies with real SEO strategies. So if this video gave you even one new idea, comment below. Tell me if you have ever worked on a project like this, or if you're stuck with a website that just won't rank. I want to hear about it. And if you know someone who needs to see this, share this video with them, because this is the kind of SEO that actually works.